Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid with niacinamide. First, always start with a clean face. After cleansing, apply hyaluronic acid to damp skin. This helps it draw in and hold moisture effectively. Once the hyaluronic acid feels mostly absorbed, typically within 30 to 60 seconds, you can then proceed with your niacinamide serum. This order ensures both ingredients work their best for your skin. These two ingredients offer fantastic benefits when used together. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, drawing moisture into your skin for a plump, hydrated look. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, helps improve skin tone, reduce redness, and minimize the appearance of pores. For best results, choose niacinamide serums with a concentration of 5% to 10%. This range is generally well tolerated and highly effective for most skin types. To get the most out of your routine, remember a few key tips. If you're new to either ingredient, introduce them one at a time to see how your skin reacts. Always finish your morning routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen of SPF 30 or higher to protect your skin. Consistency is truly important. Regular use over several weeks will yield the best and most noticeable improvements in your skin's texture and appearance. A common mistake is applying hyaluronic acid to completely dry skin, which can actually pull moisture from your skin instead of into it. Also, resist the urge to introduce too many new active ingredients simultaneously. This can overwhelm your skin. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving a healthier, more radiant complexion with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.